Morning YouTube, how's it going today? So, the video you're fixing to watch was one that I did earlier in the week. Missed a couple of things on it, and I wanted to kind of touch base on them. I'm not a electrician by trade, but my dad over the years has taught me quite a bit. The piece of equipment we're going to be working on is a 36-inch Di-Acro power shear that my dad and I bought, and the previous owner, he wanted to take it out of his shop because it was unsafe. The safety dog wouldn't catch, and so it would shear multiple times, and was unsafe. So we bought it, ordered the parts to repair it, and I finally get around to doing it in this video. The one thing you don't see in the video is I powered it up after I got it all put back together. I powered it up, and this is a 223 phase, so it's 4 wires, a ground, a common, which is your white wire, and then a red and a black wire, which are both hot wires. In this kind of wiring, it doesn't really matter per se where the red and the black go, from what I've done and been told. Again, I'm not a professional or licensed electrician, so don't do what I do. Be safe. Hire an electrician if you need one. But if you put the red and the black in a certain orientation, everything will work fine. If you switch the red and the black, it can actually make the motor run backwards. So, had everything wired together, turned it on, it wouldn't operate properly. And it was because the motor was running backwards. Switch the red and the black hot wires, everything works fine. So you don't see that part in the video, but you do get to see the machine operate. So stick with me, see how this goes, and hope you're having another great day in paradise. So this is a electric shear, a Di-Acro 36-inch electric shear. Metal goes in here, clamps down. You step on the pedal, and it'll drop the blade, which is back here. Alright, so there's the blade, right up in there. So it'll go down, cut the metal for me. The problem I've got is right here. So there's a safety dog right here. On this flywheel there's a plate that's about 6 inches diameter that spins, and as you can see there's a drive pulley here, and that big heavy cast wheel bolts to that plate. Well, on the inside of the plate, here it is, you can see these grooves are cut. Well, as it spins, you hit the pedal. This spins 1 revolution, or a quarter revolution, and this dog is supposed to come out and catch it. But as you can see, it's broke off. I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like. So this, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah. Is what it's supposed to look like. Nice, clean, sharp edges. It's actually got a slight bevel on the bottom right there. Sorry about the camera work, right there. So this key, or dog, sits on the shaft, and it slides in and out as the wheel rotates, catches the plate and stops the rotation. Right now when you hit the plate, this spins and it will cut 2 or 3 times before it actually this catches. So bit of a safety issue. I don't want anybody in the shop using it until I can get it fixed. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna pull this apart and get it fixed. Okay, so I've got, let's see if it'll focus there. I've got the broken pin out. As you can see, it's pretty chewed up. I've got the pin back in. I've put the plate on, and now this wheel, drive wheel or balancer wheel, that thing weighs about 100 to 125 pounds. So we've got to get it lined up. You can't see it from here. You can kind of see it right here. And then there's another one further down. You can see the 2 alignment pins. So I've got to get those lined up. Sorry for the camera work, y'all. And see if I can drive it on or slide it on. Yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so there it is, all put together. The belt's on it. There's tensioner bar right there. It's been tensioned. We've got it wired up. So yeah, it's time to try it and see what happens. So this is a Di-Acro 36-inch power shear. It's 3-phase, 220 volts. My dad and I bought this from a machinist in Macon. That it broke a tooth off in the power wheel here, so we finally got that. And this will be the first time it's been powered up in this shop. So got that put back together. I've got the power hooked up. Hopefully I've got everything right. Let's see. Okay. That's working. That's working. See if it shears. Alright. So it cut one time and stopped. The problem they had with it before was it was cut multiple times. So now let's see if it actually cuts a piece of metal. That works. Awesome. Hey, anytime you're in the shop, be safe. Wear safety glasses. So this is awesome. We have a working power shear now. This is great. Y'all have a good one.